everyone, this is Bhagwati and in this video we are going to learn how to access words through spaces and how to turn a sentence into a list of words. Let's start with something fun. Imagine your friend sends you a message, Python is amazing. Now, what if you only want to read the second word or the last word or the first word? How do we do that? Let's first convert this sentence into a list of words, and for that we know the magic spell split function. So we will use a split function for converting this string into a list. So print sentence dot split. So here is the list we got, which was splitted by the spaces in the string. Here let's give this a variable name words where our list will be stored, and print words. Since we have a list, we can access words using indexing just like we do in the lists, like words 0 index. So we got the element of 0th index of the list. Cool, right? Just like we access elements in a normal list, we can access words from this list. What if the sentence is longer? Let's take another example. The sentence will be I love learning Python with fun and examples. Does it work though for this much longer sentence as well? Let's run and see. Here is the list of all the words in the sentence which were splitted by spaces. Now let's check if what happens if we have more than one spaces between two words. We have 3 spaces between I and love. Does it work for this as well or not? What do you think? It will work for this as well, because number of spaces doesn't mean for split. It means just after space if there is any word, then that word will be the second element of the list. As we learned how to access words through spaces and how to turn a sentence or a string into a list, let's move on to some of the questions and try. Print the third word from a given sentence. Let us take sentence that is I love Python. First of all, we will split it into words, and then now we will access the second element of a list by indexing of the list. So for third element of the list, we have to take the index 2. So it is the third word of the string Python. Now move on to the second question. Print the last 2 words using negative indexing. So let's say we have a sentence I love learning Python with fun and examples. In this also, first of all, we will split it into a list, then print last 2 words, that is indexing of -1 and indexing of -2. So these are the 2 words. So here if we want to keep the sequence same, like first and then examples, so we'll write first second index, last second index, and then last first index. So these are the last two words of a given string or sentence. Now move on to the next and last question of this lecture. Count the number of words in a sentence. So let's say we have this sentence. So how we will count? First of all, we will convert this into a list, and then we will find the length of the list. So here we have the 8 words in the sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So split function is used to make a string, to turn a string or a sentence into a list of words. So these are the coding challenges. You can try it by yourself for better practice and better understanding. Thank you.